What did you just watch, Winston?
System is broken.
Do you like it?
Yeah,
Why do you like it?
because it's fun.
Oh yeah?
Mhm.
What did you like about the trailer?
Trailer?
The System is Broken trailer.
Oh, it's 大伯英文叫什么
Your uncle.
My Nash.
Your Nash? He's your uncle.
Yeah, I like it, so he just do it. So I like it. The system is broken. That's what he doing.
Oh, that's his movie, right?
Yeah.
Do you think it's going to be a great movie?
Yeah.
Why do you think it's going to be such a great movie?
Oh, I will watch it already.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Oh.
你在录影啊？
Uh-huh. Yes.
But yeah, I like it.
Which guy is your favorite person in the movie?
It's my uncle.
You like your uncle? How come you like your uncle so much?
That's what I like.
You like him?
Mhm.
Do you think he's a good movie director?
Yep.
How come?
Yep.
Why do you think he's a good movie director?
Because system is broken.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, thank you, Winston.
Okay, Lo.
Let's see you later.
See you later. Bye.
What do you want to say to Uncle Nash?
Thank you to make a movie to Winston to see it.
Okay.
祝你好。